If you need a simple way to keep track of a vehicle, a trailer, a boat, equipment, or even monitor a young or aging driver, a compact GPS tracker like this can give you a lot of peace of mind. This is the Tracki Pro GPS Tracker. It's small, fully waterproof, and designed to stay hidden. It gives real-time location updates over 4G LTE and lets you set alerts for movement, speeding, fence crossing, and battery level. Those alerts can come through the app, email, or text. The battery lasts for up to 7 months per charge in battery save mode, and the build is rugged enough for long-term outdoor or concealed placement. There are several ways to install it. The first is using the built-in magnet attachment, which is extremely strong. It snaps onto metal instantly and doesn't budge. I tested it on the underside of my car and it held on with zero shifting even when I tried to pull it off. If you'd rather not use the magnet, you can switch to the included screw mount or just use double-sided tape and hide it pretty much anywhere. Under the metal frame of the car, inside the trunk bracing, under a seat frame, in the glove box or center console, behind interior panels, or even tucked into a trailer toolbox or boat compartment. Something super important to point out, a subscription is required to activate the device and access all the features. Setup is simple and quick. Long press the power button to turn the tracker on, then download the app, create an account, and scan the QR code on the back of your tracker. Once you pay for and choose your subscription plan, you'll be able to see live tracking and customize all your alerts. So if you're looking for a compact tracker with strong mounting options, long battery life, global coverage, and real-time smart alerts, this is a great choice.